Sajara terms, can the leader of majority be protected to move his amendments?
Why don't you verify the cards that are watching and the ones that are not angry or what?
The leader of majority will move his amendments.
Look what I did. Please take what they are doing.
The leader of majority to move his proposed amendment.
I beg to move that clause 8B.
And the members who are here to do your politics, please do it outside of the house. Leader of majority to be protected to move his amendment. Order, members. Order.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 8B of the bill be amended in the proposed proviso by deleting the words 6 months and substituting thereof the words 120 days. And the import of this bill is to accord the timeline to also be synchronized with the nomination of members of Parliament. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Order.
Propose.
Members, having the leader of majority have been moved his proposed amendment. Leader of majority is on record having moved his amendment. I propose a question which is that clause 8B be amended as proposed by the honorable leader of majority. Members, as many as our discipline say aye, and as many as our contrary opinion say nay. This is very clear to me that the ayes have it.